Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I will show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you will want to pull down the notification panel and tap on this pencil right over here, so we can actually add the power saving mode, which is right here. It's called Stamina. So let's see how you add it. I guess you just grab it, drag it down, and that's it. You can close it, and it should now be located in your notifications. From here, you can tap on it, and it gives you a message when stamina mode is active, GPS vibration, image, enhancer, blah blah blah. It's all disabled. That's basically the premise of it. So let's select confirm, and it is now in power saving mode, which you can see right here. Now it is in some kind of auto mode, but yeah, that is how you would enable it. Now once you're done with this mode, what you can do to turn it off is simply find the toggle once more, tap on it, and it actually looks like it's still enabled and not in the auto mode. Now it's in manual, so as you can see, it now dropped down the brightness and it did everything that the previous auto mode did, but now it's all constantly on. Tap on it again, and there we go, it's now turned off fully. Now that being said, this is how you would enable the power saving mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.